Brian here at the Edge Pro. Got a quick tip for you on diagnosing a Andis Pulse ZR2 or Supra ZR2 clipper that isn't working. And so there's a lot of possibilities. We've got a lot of content on this clipper and some things to diagnose. But one of the things that we see very frequently, and a lot of people don't realize, end users don't realize that their clipper is broken. It may or may not be causing them a problem, but it's a broken battery. And so first of all, it's got a battery here. Turn the clipper on, works, typical clipper here. Take the battery off, battery comes off of this clipper. What fools most people is the fact that this battery shows a nice green light. Green light means it's good, right? Well, unfortunately, the presence of the green light on this battery is basically the presence of no check engine light on your car. So if you get a red light on the battery, it alerts you to a problem, kind of like a check engine light. But if you get a green light, it's like not having a check engine light. Doesn't mean that your car is running perfect. Doesn't mean that your battery isn't broken. And so what we see with this battery a lot of times is that it's physically broken, and that causes sometimes an intermittent issue. It may be working at the moment, and then it stops working later on. And so in order to check for that, we can obviously look at it and just visually inspect if we saw anything broken from the outside. Sometimes you do see pieces missing. But what we found with this battery is that if you take your two thumbs, if you place them on the label of the battery, flip the battery over, stick your fingernails in the seams of the housing of the battery, and then you just want to try to crack it open like a walnut. And if that battery pops open and you can see the battery inside, that's a broken battery. So this is a battery that is broken, and when it breaks like that, sometimes that causes an internal break that then sometimes causes a problem. So think of it like a broken cord. A broken cord that is broken works as long as it's making connection. As soon as the connection's lost, it doesn't work. And so that can be a problem right now, down the road, who knows? We're not really sure. Unfortunately, the only fix for this is replacing the battery. There's no way to get into that internally, fix anything. Andis doesn't sell the internals of this battery, so you do have to replace the battery. From an end user standpoint, if you don't want to replace the battery and it's not currently malfunctioning, if it's working correctly, you can continue to use the battery, but no, if you start having problems, that might be your issue. So just thought I'd share that tip with you. If you've got an Andis Pulse ZR2 or a Supra ZR2, this might be the issue. It could be a broken battery, might be the reason that it's not working. And you can pretty quickly check and see if it is broken. There's a lot of other reasons your clipper might not work, but this is a common one we see. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe, and follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.